information about Badminton Olympic game. From 23rd July to 8th August, the world is going to witness a mega sports festival. The festivity of Olympic Games for sports fans is going to be inaugurated at Tokyo in Japan. Dear teachers and parents, namaste and hi dear friends. This is Norman of 10th class before you to share my interest on upcoming Olympics. The father of modern Olympics was Baron Thierry de Coubertin, was a Frenchman who began Olympics in 1894. The motto of Olympics is CTS or DF40M. The first Indian athlete Norman Pritchard participated in 1900 in Paris Olympics. Sir Dorabji Tata was founding president of Indian Olympic Association in 1927. In 2021 Tokyo Olympics mascot is Mirai Chowa. Somaiti was the mascot for 2021 Paralympics. Now at present the flame was carried to the podium by Paralympic shooter Takuchi Aki. I like badminton sport very much. In 1992, badminton had its debut in Summer Olympics at Barcelona. In India, badminton is the most popular game after cricket. It is the world's fastest racket sport. Sushi Sushant is the first Indonesian player to win gold medal in badminton. Padma Shri Prakash Pandukar is a former Indian badminton player. He was ranked world number 1 in 1990. Pullela Gopichand is chief national coach for Indian national badminton team. Srikanth Kidambi trained our Pullela was ranked world number 1 in number 1. Aparna Popat is India's national champion for 9 times. She won all the senior national championship. The well-known Indian badminton players are Padma Shri Prakash Padukone, Pullela Gopichand, Srikanth Kidambi, Aparna Popat. I was inspired by Saina Nehwal and PV Sindhu, who were champions in badminton. On 19th August 2016, PV Sindhu became the first Indian shuttler to win Olympics with silver medal. At Rio 2016 Olympics was ranked world number 1. At present, in Olympics 2021, there will be only 4 shuttlers to represent India. They are PV Sindhu, B. Sai Pranit, Satvik Sairaj, Ranki Reddy, and Chirag Shetty. At present, 124 Indians, in which 69 men and 55 women are in the fray. 18 sport events like archery, boxing, badminton, golf, gymnastics, hockey are some of them. I conclude that in Tokyo Olympics 2021, our Indian sports stars compete with world-class players with determined mind and body. They are ready to face challenges. Let us wish them all the best. Thank you.